They cut 5 months from product development and saved $350,000 a year. How? They use AI to select products before making clothes. Because in fashion, products designed and produced in advance may not be popular in the market. Watch till the end, I will explain to you how, and maybe you might do it too. Hi, I'm Scarlett. On this channel, I break down how Chinese companies actually use AI to reshape their cost, scale, and business decisions. No theory, no hype, just how decisions get cheaper and faster. Today, we are diving into the story of Amila, a major Chinese kidswear brand. If you work in fashion or any high-scale business, the biggest risk isn't sales, it's commitment timing. Because once you commit too early, every mistake becomes expensive. Fabric, samples, photo shoots, inventory. In traditional fashion, the decisions are locked in months before the market reacts. That's not a creativity problem. It's a system problem. Amila decided to use AI. So, Amila didn't wake up one day and say, let's use AI. They were pushed there by cost, by time, and by too many decisions made too early. Before AI, Amila followed a very traditional process: design sketches, fabric sourcing, pattern making, sample production, styling. Only after all of that could they create images and test products. The full cycle took around 9 to 10 months. After AI, Amila changed one fundamental thing. They stopped using drawings as the starting point. Designers no longer draw first, they select the styles. 3D modelers build the clothing directly. AI generates e-commerce images before any clothing. Yes, the clothes doesn't exist yet. And here is the critical part. They test the market with AI images. If people click, they manufacture. If they don't, they delete the file. No fabric wasted. No warehouse drama. This delivered two major results. First, cost. Model shoots, photographer, travel, replaced by AI. Annual saving, $350,000. Second, time. Product cycles were cut almost in half, from 10 months to 4 or 5, without rushing production. Amila's founder has over 20 years in the kidswear industry. Kidswear means many SKUs, many sizes, seasonal collections, which also means mistakes are extremely expensive. So they were forced to use AI because the old process was locking in losses too early. If you watch my last Jiezhang video, you might find something interesting. Jiezhang used AI to cut production costs. Amila used the same technology to cut decision costs. Same AI, different leverage points. So why does this work so well in China? It's not just the technology, it's the ecosystem. First, a visual-first fast decision market. In China, e-commerce platforms are real-time voting machines. You get data in 24 hours. You can vote an AI image if millions of people are not ready to vote their colleagues. Second, supply chain pro-segmenting. AI only creates speeds if production can keep up. You can't have a 4-month cycle if your factory is across an ocean. Third, cultural acceptance. If it lowers cost and increases speed, adoption happens fast. AI didn't create these advantages. It amplifies a system that's already built for the speed. So can this work outside China? Yes, but not a copy-paste. The logic scales globally. test cheaply, fail digitally, produce wisely. The future is hybrid. AI for testing, humans for final proof. And that alone can completely change the economics of fashion. This case isn't about AI predicting bestsellers. It's about redesigning when decisions are made. If you want more real-world AI cases, no hype, just how business actually changed, please follow the channel.